How to fix Android Auto not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Android Auto not working on your phone. So if your phone won't connect to your car or the app isn't launching properly, don't worry. I've got some easy steps to fix it fast. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with a step 1, that is to check device settings. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone, and once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as connection and sharing. And now here, once you are inside the connection and sharing, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as Android Auto. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are inside the Android Auto, first thing, make sure that the option labeled as Start Android Auto while locked and Start Music automatically is toggled on. And once you're done with that, just above that option, you can see the option labeled as Start Android Auto automatically. So simply tap on it. And here, if it is set to if used on last drive, change it to always or default set by the car. And this will make sure that Android Auto starts every time you connect your phone. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to manage Android Auto app settings. So here, simply go back to the main settings, and after that, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here inside apps, just tap on manage apps, and from here you can simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Android Auto. And now here you can simply tap on Android Auto from the result, and once you are inside the Android Auto app settings, at the bottom right corner, you can see the option labeled as Clear Data. So simply tap on it. And here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on Clear Cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And after that, you can simply scroll down and tap on App Permissions. And in here, make sure that all required permissions like location, phone, SMS, and storage are enabled. And with that, you can simply go back, and after that you can just tap on clear all data, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, you can simply confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, it will help you to reset the app without uninstalling it. And once that's done, we will move forward to the step 3, that is to restart your phone. So here, once you're done with everything in the app settings, you can go ahead and restart your device, because a fresh reboot can fix any lingering background issues that may be interfering with Android Auto. And with that, moving forward to the final step, that is to update your software. So here, after doing all these steps, if it is still not working, then you can simply go back to the settings, and from here you can simply tap on About Phone. And here you can check if the software update is available or not. So if update is available, just tap on update, because updates often include important bug fixes that solve compatibility problems with Android Auto. And that's it. By adjusting settings, managing app permissions, clearing cache, and rebooting your device, you should be able to fix most Android Auto connection issues. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.